Amazon Prime Day 2025 is almost here, but the early deals are live and too good to miss. I've scoured Amazon to bring you 35 incredible steals with savings up to 50%. Whether you're a gamer, fitness enthusiast, or home organizer, there's something for everyone in this video. The prices won't last long and deals will disappear fast. So sit back and let's start with the first deal. The first deal we have is the Z Edge 32-inch curved gaming monitor. Slashed from $229.99 to $199.99, it is a gamer's dream. Its 1500R curve wraps around your vision, matching your eye's natural shape for immersive gameplay. The 240Hz refresh rate and 1 ms response time eliminate lag and screen tearing, ensuring you stay ahead in fast-paced battles. Why settle for a flat, laggy display when you can game like a pro? This $30 discount is a steal. The second deal we have is the Marshall Acton 3 home speaker. Down from $299.99 to $199.99, it is a music lover's must-have. Its re-engineered stereo soundstage delivers immersive, room-filling audio with iconic Marshall quality. Future-ready Bluetooth ensures you're set for upgrades. Whether you're streaming playlists or hosting friends, this speaker elevates every moment. Why choose between sustainability and premium sound when you can have both? This $100 discount makes high-end audio affordable. The third deal we have is the Amazon 4K Fire TV Stick. At $24.99, down from $49.99, it is a streaming steal. Enjoy vibrant 4K Ultra HD with Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos for a cinematic experience. Wi-Fi 6 ensures smooth playback even with multiple devices connected. Stream over 1.5 million movies and 300,000 free episodes from Netflix, Prime Video, and more. Why pay full price for endless entertainment? This 50% off deal upgrades your TV experience on a budget. The fourth deal we have is the Braun Laser Hair Removal Tool. Slashed from $519.99 to $363.94, it is the world's first smart IPL that adapts to your skin, delivering 2 years of smooth results. Real-time coverage tracking ensures no missed spots, like having a personal beautician at home. Clinically proven for face, body, and pubic areas, it offers customizable intensity settings for optimal results. Why spend thousands at a salon? This 30% off deal brings professional hair removal home. The fifth deal we have is the Cosori Dual Blaze Air Fryer. Down from $179.99 to $152.99, it revolutionizes cooking. Dual heating elements deliver 360 degrees crispiness without preheating or shaking, saving time. The 6.8-quart basket handles whole chickens, feeding everyone easily. Control it remotely via the VSync app or Alexa for seamless operation. Why settle for soggy food or long cooking times? This $27 discount brings restaurant-quality results home. The sixth deal we have is the Ninja Frost Vault Cooler. Reduced from $349.99 to $265, it is an adventurer's essential. Its Frost Vault Dry Zone keeps food cool and dry at safe temperatures for days. Premium ice retention holds ice for extended trips, fitting 97 cans without ice or 54 with ice. The heavy-duty construction withstands rugged adventures, from camping to beach days. Why rely on flimsy coolers that fail mid-trip? This $85 discount is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. The seventh deal we have is the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P Gimbal Stabilizer. Slashed from $149 to $126.65, it is a content creator's dream. Its 3-axis stabilization ensures smooth, cinema-quality footage every time. The multifunctional module adds intelligent tracking, lighting, and mic reception for pro-level shots. With 10 hours of battery life and phone charging capability, it's built for long shoots. Why struggle with shaky footage? This $22 discount makes professional content creation affordable. The eighth deal we have is the Fine Horse Walking Pad Treadmill. Down from $389.99 to $330.98, it transforms home workouts. Its foldable motor cover activates 6 incline levels, mimicking hills for intense calorie burns. The 2.5 HP motor supports 330 pounds, with speeds from 0 to 4 miles per hour for walking, jogging, or climbing. Perfect for small spaces, it's ideal for diverse workouts. Why stick to boring routines? This $59 discount brings versatile fitness home. The 9th deal we have is the Divan Air Mattress. Slashed from $119.99 to $76.99, it offers premium comfort for less. Its soft suede topper and wave pattern ensure luxurious sleep. Patented vertical beam technology supports 660 pounds, minimizing pressure points for all-night comfort. Inflate or deflate in just 3 minutes with the built-in pump and store it in the included carry bag. Why compromise on rest during trips or visits? This 36% off deal delivers versatile, durable comfort. The 10th deal we have is the Air Robo Dog Grooming Kit. Slashed from $89.99 to $69.98, the kit keeps pets pristine. Its 12,000 Pascal suction captures 99% of hair, preventing messes. With a low noise design under 50 decibels and 3 suction levels, it's gentle on sensitive pets. 6 guide combs ensure precise trimming for any hair length. Why deal with fur-covered furniture? This $20 discount makes professional grooming affordable at home. The 11th deal we have is the High Life Steamer for clothes. Slashed from $45.99 to $24.36, it is a traveler's essential. Its 700-watt power delivers long-lasting steam to smooth wrinkles on chiffon, silk, wool, and more. The 240-milliliter tank provides 15 minutes of continuous steaming, perfect for quick touch-ups. Why deal with wrinkled clothes on the go? This 47% off deal keeps your wardrobe crisp anywhere. The 12th deal we have is the Andrabis Lounge Set. Down from $34.99 to $18.59, it is a cozy bargain. Made of 92% rayon and 8% elastane, it offers high stretch and softness for ultimate comfort. The slim-fit short-sleeve crop top and flared pants suit casual wear, work, yoga, or sleep. Perfect for lounging, travel, or fitness, this 2-piece set blends style and versatility. Why sacrifice fashion for comfort? This 47% off deal brings chic relaxation to your wardrobe. The 13th deal we have is the Eureka E20 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Slashed from $449.99 to $329.99, it is a cleaning powerhouse. Its 8,000 Pascal suction tackles dust, debris, and pet hair on carpets and floors. The bagless self-emptying station holds 45 days of dirt, saving time and money. The auto-lifting mop prevents carpet wetting for seamless cleaning. Why spend hours scrubbing floors? This $120 discount delivers hands-free, smart cleaning. The 14th deal we have is the KYY Portable Monitor. Down from $89.99 to $69.98, the KYY Portable Monitor boosts productivity anywhere. Weighing 1.1 pounds and 0.3 inches thick, this 14-inch FHD 1080p IPS screen with HDR delivers vibrant visuals. Switch between extended, mirror, or portrait modes for versatile use, from work to gaming. Why limit yourself to one screen? This $20 discount is ideal for travelers and remote workers. The 15th early Prime Day deal we have is on PocBuds wireless earbuds. Slashed from $49.99 to $25.98, they offer premium audio for less. Enjoy 80 hours of playtime with the digital charging case displaying real-time battery status. Auto-connect when removed from the case, they're compatible with smartphones, TVs, and more. Why stick to wired audio? This 48% off deal is perfect for music lovers on the go. The 16th deal we have is the Bronze Series 9 Pro Shaving Kit. Down from $429.99 to $299.04, it is a men's grooming essential. Its 5 synchronized elements and Pro Comfort Head deliver a close shave with fewer strokes even on 7-day beards. The 6-in-1 Smart Care Center cleans, lubricates, and dries automatically, while the Power Case provides 60 minutes of cordless use. Why settle for less than a premium shave? This $130 discount makes luxury grooming affordable. The 17th deal we have is the Pelsi 4K Dash Cam. Slashed from $139.99 to $129.99, the cam ensures road safety. Record in 4K front and 1080p rear with WDR for clear night footage. ADAS offers voice alerts for lane departure, collisions, and more. And BSD detects blind spots for safer driving. The 12-inch IPS touchscreen and 64GB card are ready to use. Why risk missing critical moments? This $10 discount is a steal for drivers. The 18th deal we have is the Webcams Beach Blanket. Down from $37.98 to $29.98, it is a summer essential. Measuring 10 feet by 9 feet, it fits 7 people, yet weighs only 14 ounces. Sandproof, water-resistant ripstop nylon, shakes off debris and dries fast. 6 metal stakes and 4 corner pockets ensure stability in windy conditions. Why settle for flimsy blankets that fail mid-trip? This $8 discount makes outdoor fun affordable and spacious.
The 19th deal we have is the Epica Universal Travel Adapter. Slashed from $24.99 to $22.99, it is a traveler's must-have. Covering 200-plus countries, it charges up to 6 devices via 4 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port, and an AC socket. Safety certified with a 10A fuse and plug lock, it's reliable for phones, laptops, and cameras. Why risk dead devices abroad? This $2 discount ensures seamless charging worldwide. Perfect for frequent travelers, it's compact and efficient. The 20th deal we have is the Angitube 4K webcam. Down from $139.99 to $79.99, it elevates video calls. Its sensor delivers 4K or 1080p with HDR for vibrant visuals. AI tracking and framing adjust for multiple attendees, ideal for meetings. Dual noise-canceling mics capture clear audio up to 16.4 feet. USB 3.0 ensures fast transfers for seamless streaming. Why settle for blurry calls? This 43% off deal is perfect for professionals or streamers. The 21st deal we have is the Life Pro Waver Vibration Plate Exercise Machine. Slashed from $199.99 to $179.99, it boosts home fitness. Its oscillation movement strengthens muscles, improves balance, and reduces joint tension. With 99 speed settings, it's customizable for all fitness levels. It stows easily under furniture, perfect for small spaces. Why skip gym benefits at home? This $20 discount delivers whole body wellness affordably. The 22nd deal we have is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. Down from $649.99 to $599.99, it is a versatile powerhouse with a 13.1-inch screen and dual speakers that deliver immersive streaming and gaming. Math Solver simplifies equations, and the S Pen offers precision for writing or drawing. The powerful processor ensures smooth multitasking from work to play. Why settle for a smaller screen? This $50 discount is perfect for students, gamers, or professionals. The 23rd deal we have is the Ono Yayo 1080p projector. Slashed from $469.99 to $170.96, it redefines home entertainment. Its smart TV operating system with AI that ensures seamless streaming from Netflix, YouTube, and more. With 1200 ANSI lumens and 4K decoding, it delivers vivid visuals. The AI image optimization system enhances colors for a cinematic experience. Why stick to a small TV? This 62% off deal brings theater-quality viewing home. The 24th deal we have is the Comfy Portable Dishwasher. Down from $299.99 to $239.99, it is perfect for small spaces. 6 wash modes clean 30-plus items up to 9.5 inches in diameter. The 5-liter water tank or faucet hookup requires no installation. Air refresh mode keeps dishes dry and odor-free. Compact yet powerful, it's ideal for apartments, dorms, or RVs. Why scrub dishes by hand? This $60 discount brings convenience to tight spaces. The 25th deal we have is the Bob & Brad D6 Pro Massage Gun. Slashed from $259.99 to $184.99, it aids recovery. Its 16mm amplitude and 85-pound stall force target deep muscle tissue, relieving soreness and boosting circulation. 7 heads, 6 speeds, and 4 modes offer personalized relief. Ultra quiet and lightweight at 2.8 pounds, it's travel-friendly with a premium case. Why live with muscle pain? This $75 discount is perfect for athletes or anyone needing relief. The 26th deal we have is the Yozo Yayo Wagon Cart. Down from $49.99 to $37.98, the cart hauls up to 360 pounds. 4 detachable anti-slip all-terrain wheels, including 2 360-degree front wheels, offer easy maneuvering. Weighing 11 pounds, it folds in seconds for storage. 2 elastic straps add convenience for groceries, camping, or gardening. Why struggle with heavy loads? This $12 discount makes heavy-duty hauling affordable. The 27th deal we have is the KLSM YOK Standing Desk. Slashed from $89.99 to $54.98, the desk enhances productivity. Adjustable from 27 to 43.5 inches, it supports sitting or standing to reduce fatigue and improve posture. 4 lockable wheels ensure easy mobility, while the sturdy steel frame holds 180 pounds without slipping. Why strain at a fixed desk? This 39% off deal is perfect for home offices or small spaces. The 28th deal we have is the Sunsgrove Twin XL adjustable bed frame. Down from $279.99 to $265.99, it offers luxury sleep. Its all-metal frame with iron slats supports mattresses up to 14 inches thick. Adjust head and foot angles via a wireless remote with memory presets for personalized comfort. With adjustable leg heights and 30-minute assembly, it's user-friendly. Why settle for a flat bed? This $14 discount delivers premium comfort affordably. The 29th deal we have is the Garmin Venu SQ2 smartwatch. Slashed from $249.99 to $149.99, it tracks health and fitness in style. Its bright AMOLED display with always-on mode and 11-day battery monitors heart rate, sleep, stress, and more. With 25-plus sports apps for running, yoga, and more, it's perfect for active lifestyles. Smart notifications and Garmin Pay add convenience. Why miss out on wellness? This $100 discount makes premium tracking affordable. The 30th deal we have is the Yaktafi 4K digital camera. Down from $62.99 to $49.98, it captures 64 MP photos and 4K video. Dual lenses and fast autofocus make it ideal for vlogging, travel, or daily snaps. Features like 16x zoom, anti-shake, and modes for portraits or night shots ensure versatility. Use as a webcam for calls or streaming. Why miss life's moments? This $13 discount delivers cinematic quality affordably. The 31st deal we have is the Amazon Echo frames. Slashed from $479.99 to $239.98, the frames with Echo Show 8 bundle is a smart home win. Control music, calls, or devices hands-free with Alexa. Stylish frames offer 6 hours of playback, while the 8-inch high-definition Echo Show enhances video calls and streaming. Moderate usage lasts 14 hours, perfect for busy days. Why settle for ordinary glasses? This 50% off deal brings smart convenience to your life. The 32nd deal we have is the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus. Slashed from $149.99 to $89.99, it boosts security. Its 180p high-definition video with color night vision and motion-activated LED spotlights deters intruders. Customizable motion zones ensure relevant alerts, while two-way talk lets you communicate remotely. Works with Alexa and supports 180 days of video storage with a Ring Home subscription. Why risk safety? This $60 discount is perfect for protecting your home. At number 33, we have the Unaway Makeup Organizer. Slashed from $25.99 to $22.09, it declutters your vanity. Its large capacity holds cosmetics, skincare, and perfumes with compartments for brushes, lipsticks, and palettes. The multi-layer design offers categorized storage with a smooth drawer for easy access. Why deal with messy counters? This $3.90 discount streamlines your routine affordably. The 34th deal we have is the Red Light Therapy Tool for face and neck. Down from $49.99 to $25.91, it reduces wrinkles with 7 color modes, thermal, and vibration. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to use anywhere. Apply skincare, select a mode, and use for 5 to 10 minutes daily for youthful skin. Suitable for all skin types, it's a great gift for any occasion. Why skip anti-aging benefits? This 48% off deal brings professional skincare home. The 35th deal we have is the Fifine Gaming Microphone. Slashed from $71.99 to $51.99, it enhances streaming. USB connectivity and a boom arm offer versatility for PC or studio use. Customizable RGB lighting adds flair, while minus 50 decibel sensitivity reduces noise. Features like mute, gain, and headphone monitoring for precise control. Ideal for gaming, streaming, or podcasting, it works with OBS and Streamlabs. Why settle for poor audio? This $20 discount makes pro-level sound affordable. Wow, what a lineup. These 35 early Amazon Prime Day 2025 deals, from the $24.99 Fire TV Stick 4K to the $299.94 Brown Shaver Kit, save you hundreds on tech, home, and fitness gear. But hurry, these discounts vanish fast. Click the links in the description to snag them now. Want more savings tips? Subscribe, hit the bell, and share this video with friends. Thanks for watching. Let's keep hunting epic deals together.